How to verify your Wise account. Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can verify your Wise account. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you are going to do is head over to wise.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. The very first thing you need to do is to verify your account, verify your email and phone number first. In order to do that, just click on personal details and click on the email option to verify your email. And once that is done, you want to head over to security and privacy. And if you want to keep the two-step verification status on, you can turn it on or turn it off according to your choice. You could also use Authenticator app to set a two-step verification, which will be much more secure. And from here, what you want to do is scroll down a bit, and if you want to add bank accounts to your Wise account, then you could just click on Connect Bank. So click right here and click on Connected Bank Accounts. Now you can click on Connect Your Bank Account by choosing your location, bank location. So once that is done, you just go back, and this is one of the ways to verify your account. And finally, what you can do is set a recipient on your account. Click on recipient, and you could add yourself as your recipient. So click on add recipient, select your currency. So let's just choose this one for now, and enter your bank details, or you could do a search. You could do a handle search, so you can enter the username of that current recipient, or you could just add your own. And once you've done that, you also have an option to add yourself. So enter your account holder name, your IBN, and all of these stuff. I hope you found the tutorial helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.